Today we're going to make braised beef short ribs. To begin, turn on the Instapot with the saute function. Start with 10 minutes on normal or high setting. Add some oil and allow it to heat up. Next, take about a cup of sliced onions and add it to the pot. Let's listen to that sizzle. Next, while the onions are sizzling, cut the beef short ribs in 1-inch cubes. Alternatively, this can be done ahead of time. Let's speed this up. Now let's add the beef short ribs to the pot. Now let's toss the short ribs and add some seasoning. Add some salt, some pepper, and some Hoisin sauce, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Next, add 2 cups of beef broth. After the beef broth has been added, hit cancel on the Instapot and add the lid back on. Ensure the valve is in the same position. Now it's time to pressure cook. We're going to use high pressure for 45 minutes. 45 minutes has been completed. It's time for a quick release. Let's open the lid and see the finished product. Remove the beef short ribs. Let's speed that up. We'll now thicken the sauce with cornstarch. To make a cornstarch slurry, dissolve about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with about 30 milliliters of water. Going back to the Instapot, turn on the saute function and allow the broth to come to a boil. Add the cornstarch slurry while continuously stirring the broth. This will thicken the sauce. Now it's time to serve the beef short ribs. Ladle the sauce over the short ribs and over a plate of rice. Enjoy! And if you like this video or recipe, don't forget to hit that like or subscribe button. Thanks for watching!